These 8, 9 men standing, and they were kind of holding a collar, and I asked them, "Ab kar kya rahe ho?" And they said, "Ma'am, we've got these small little dog under our van here outside the office. For the last 2 years, we've been feeding it and stuff. And now that we see the stray Supreme Court order, we want to ensure that he's not picked up. So they got a collar. They were trying to kind of collar him and everything, but he was running away because I guess he was scared of 6 people. So as I stood there, I just cutely called him. He came into my lap and everything, but they couldn't tie the collar. And a series of other dogs followed. And the message is, the realization is, and the point is that those stray dogs didn't even know me, but they did nothing to me. All they did was try to get into my lap and play with me, get my adoration and stuff, wag their tails, lie down and stuff. And the message is, if you are having them sterilized, and if you're kind of vaccinating him and stuff, make them wear a collar of a certain kind and stuff, with a message probably that they're already taken care of and tagged. And what's important is to also realize that none of the dogs attacked anybody yesterday. There was this huge traffic situation off and on happening, but this was a peaceful thingy, so the traffic would clear up. The animals never came jumping on anybody or biting anybody. So maybe we can have messages like these also. And the objective yesterday was to raise a voice and stuff. And I'm very sure that the media is going to do a good job, because they definitely shared this, that they are neutral about it, and some of them are doing their jobs. And it's a question, like Abhinav from Hindustan Times said, it's a question of personal ego and conditioning, where people don't even talk about animals, or don't even want to kind of discuss the animal, but they want to take it out on the animal and the pet and stuff. So the prayer got answered. I got talking to the media as well. We've had this whole thing of people coming in, the caretakers, dog lovers, children, of course, the police, the Delhi police, the Noida police was there, and they were just standing there, and they let the protest pass. Of course, they were in a media area, so probably they couldn't have kind of they didn't want to make the situation get worse, because it was peaceful. They came in and they signed on the posters and stuff and all that. So I believe In It Together definitely is going to have a spin-off effect. And now we see celebrities coming on TV. We've got sports people from Delhi coming in and stuff. So do come forward and do share. And if you want that change to happen, बात करने से नहीं होगा, मैसेज शेयर करने से होगा, और एक्शन लेने से ज़रूर होगा. ऑनलाइन ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए, मगर ऑफलाइन वर्क ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आप ऑफलाइन नहीं करेंगे और ऑनलाइन शेयर करते रहेंगे, एक पॉइंट के बाद लोग सैचुरेट हो जाएंगे. दे विल ब्लॉक यू ऑफ एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो मेक श्योर दैट योर मैसेज इज meaningful, full of purpose and stuff, and it is imparting hope in everything. And I believe the stay order also, in a way, has been rolled out. Some people have reported that dogs have got picked up and stuff, but the legal part of it is now clarifying that they cannot do it, because all of them, all of the vans and everything coming in are not off MCDs and stuff. So follow that video also, and that will help you. So keep praying and keep sending out meaningful messages to the world and stuff. And for me, this is what In It Together means, that your prayer is not just about you and your pet and about only those 3, 4, 6, 4 people, or those dogs that you love in your neighborhood and your family, but it's got to be the larger thingy. Yeah, I already have one dog at home, so I'm so glad he also got covered. And I guess some people address him as a celebrity dog or whatever. I don't look at him that way, but the point is this: I'm glad that adopting one pet has made other people also take dogs. So if you could do that, you could come forward and also adapt and be a warrior of hope, and be a warrior of real action. That will really help. Yeah, so love and luck and take care. Have fun, have a blast, and finally, your cheers on a nice cup of coffee. Finally, one to start my day and to have my action plan and my other things happening. So take care, and thank you for your messages. Thank you for following me. The unedited first interview, the first part of the prayer, is on my social media, on Instagram. I'm in a blue shirt. I had just recovered from fever and I'd overslept, and I'm there. They just caught me, without any makeup or any anything jazzy and stuff, but it's okay. The point was not to look great. The point was to actually bring the core message before people. So I'm there on that. And yesterday's, of course, I'll be sharing. So please continue praying and do send positive messages and positive energy to the universe. And in Buddhism, they say pray for the Buddha nature, or pray for the right and the best decision to happen. So pray for that, okay? So love and love, and take care and have fun and have a blast. I'm on jkapani at gmail.com, Justine Kapani, office at gmail.com, and Justine Kapani .im at gmail.com. I'm just hoping and I'm waiting that we'll hear something positive from Prime Minister Modi and his people, because Mr. Modi during Corona and a little later towards Corona also had advised people, and he wanted people to come forward for adoption. So he's busy with other things, I'm sure, but a small message of kindness and warm-heartedness, and to not panic and not lose hope, is totally going to help us. So I'm hoping for that as well. So love and luck and take care and have fun. I'm Jashin Kapani from India. Bye bye.